truck run some practice, and we're going to go ahead and do the national anthem to get this event started. We're going to let the women go out and burn a couple of laps, and then it's going to move into heat racing. Here comes the Lasitra buggy. Better late than never. Little more speed, a little more horsepower, and a lot more travel. As deceiving as it may be, those of you unfamiliar, the big, loud, lot of wheel travel truck may just get passed by that buggy because there's a
that buggy is bad. No, this is a practice one.
No, like when the race starts, is it like?
Yeah, there you go. Don't be afraid. It's practice. Make some laps. It is not called a parade lap.
I guess.
That blue Jeep, the Jeeps are good ones to watch. Very high horsepower, very limited wheel travel. It is a rough ride. The number 17 approaching. Brandon Grisco. He will drive the wheels off the truck literally. I do not think he has made a full race with all four wheels. The Jeeps appear to be out front making moves. We need Rob Deerdick out here every time one gets around throwing a little making moves. The Jeeps all moving up to the front, but Grisco looking like he's trying to get around there. That's for the blue truck, and I got whoa, the Chevy get crazy. Don't tell you. Let's see if they get around here quicker if they're scared.
Did you get that, Michelle?
Yeah.
I would say that's a good idea. Let them get a couple of laps and stop them before they go too fast and break something.
Well, at least he knows where to stop now.
Last thing you want to do is travel all the way out here. Get here, break it while you're learning the track. Oh, got one Jeep pulling out. Looks like the Jeeps are cool. Here comes Brandon. Made his way around the fire truck. He can get around that scout. Keeping the wheels on it. That's looking good. The 88 sounding pretty good. Oh, Black 7's got a turn 6 on. He might be making a lap.
We're making a left turn.
One lap of practice to go. The white flag is out. We're going to try to slow him up. Brandon making a move on the back stretch. I give Brandon a little bit of credit though. I was in that truck yesterday and there is no room. You have no leg room. So now I know why his foot is always on the throttle because you can't move it over to the brake. Scout, that's coming around. Oh, here we go. He's sneaking back out. He ditched all the tires out of the back. He wanted to shed some weight and see how it handled.
Yeah.
Here comes left turn Louie again. He's scared though. I give him the most credit out of anybody out there. Because that is one rough ride. I mean, the Jeeps are limited on wheel travel, but a bone stock 81 Chevy pickup. Oh, Grisco almost going to get in the back of that Jeep. Good thing he's got a tire out there. wave line. Whiskey Christina. The big H truck putting the power down. You should hit this guy with a black flag. Black flag, black flag. You're in a black truck and you got black flag. All right, we're gonna herd all these guys off the track.